Hello, I'm Serhiy Dubinevich, founder and CEO at FuelWell Company. We introduce you to an innovative combustion improvement technology implemented as a plug-in device range for various internal combustion engines. FuelWell hardware reduces fuel consumption by up to 20% and CO2 emissions by 15%, which converts into carbon credits and allows various businesses to compensate for their carbon footprint and make a green contribution to the planet's good. In this video, we show two more of FuelWell completed installations and share their fuel efficiency results. Number one is 12-liter diesel VOLVO FH1242 tractor trailer of far away 1996 model year with FW8D unit installed. Such device limit of diesel fuel consumption is 60 liters per 100 kilometers, or not less than 4 miles per gallon. Number 2 is Renault T430 tractor trailer with an engine capacity of 10.8 liters, manufactured in 2013. For such truck, FW6 device model limited with fuel consumption up to 40 liters per 100 kilometers, or not less than 6 miles per gallon suits perfectly. After 3 months in routine operational environment, the customer was satisfied with the 20% fuel savings on VOLVO FH12 and 18% of the Renault T430. We recommend you join the number of our satisfied customers. Now, don't waste more time and money. Make a step forward to the beneficial, environmental consciousness. Visit FuelWell website and pre-order your FuelWell device already now with a great limited pre-order discounts.